got brownies in the oven.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can see that? It's delicious.
Oh,
Oh, got on my nose.
How does a box get through your nose?
Okay, that part, right there. The box is delicious. What the brownies are gonna taste like. Ooh.
It's got little chocolate chips in it. I got like water on my nose. That's totally good for keeping your makeup on. You can't see you can't see my thumb, it like blended into my shoulder.
We're like, no, she can't see us. Oh, what is that? What is that? It's the light of Jesus.
The only way you can see me doing thumbs up is if I put it up against my back.
Abstinence. Just thought I'd get that out there.
Abstinence. Yeah, so, guess what we're going to talk about right now? I think it's abstinence.
Now, for any of you people who don't know what abstinence is,
It's like the belief that you need to stay pure.
like pure
Like
as in like no
virginity.
sexual things.
Like, no touchy-feely, no licky-licky.
No licky licky.
No
No.
bump, no nothing.
No in out. No in.
No up down, no side, just
No sideways. No backwards forwards. No underneath. What? Okay.
sitting down, standing up, no hotel hot tub.
No, to a hot tub on a trampoline. No, but seriously, abstinence. It's really.
Yeah. Okay, here's basically my beliefs. The like uber religious people that are like, oh, you can't have sex, blah 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 blah. Grow up! Like that's gonna happen. Everybody has sex. Guess how you got here? Your mom and dad had sex. If nobody had sex, then nobody would be here. But also, you know, I don't believe in like little 14-year-old chicks going out and being like little sluts, you know?
It does have its good side. I mean, it prevents teen pregnancy and STDs, if you like believe in all that. Abstinence, it's pretty lame actually, because who wants to be a virgin forever?
Seriously.
Unless of course, I know,
Oh my
unless you
gosh.
believe in all that, but.
Okay, there was this like apparently this like 104-year-old woman.
Oh, I heard about that.
And she was like a virgin until the day she died, and she was like, that is the key to a long life. And then this like 129-year-old dude or something like that was like, I've been having sex since I was 14. I've been getting lots of that. And so that's what the key to the happy life is. So basically, you can live long no matter what. So
On either extreme.
seriously, I'm thinking, go with your gut, go with your heart. You know, whatever guides your entire life, let that guide that too. If you flip a coin to decide everything in your life, heads you're being a virgin and tails you're, you know,
Human, yeah.
oh. Okay. Damn it.
Ah!
Ah,
No! You bite my boob.
Did I?
I don't know, you like grazed it.
About abstinence.
Oh yeah. Well, bottom line is, abstinence is, you know,
Okay,
it can go both ways.
Yeah, basically, it can be good, especially for those who believe, like, if it is with your religion to be abstinent, then that probably would be a good idea if you want to stay that religion. But also, be open-minded about it. Don't just be like, oh, well, you know, so-and-so says that I have to be abstinent, so I have to be abstinent. Bottom line. No, keep an open mind. And honestly, if you come across somebody that you really love, like, you know that it's true, you've been together for a long time, you know that it's absolutely in love, then, then, I believe it's okay. If your heart is ready, your mind is ready.
If you're emotionally ready.
Emotionally
if
and
your body is ready.
If every single part of you is ready for it, then I personally say go for it, but be protected.
Protected. You don't want STDs.
Seriously. Yeah.
That's nasty. Huh. Not speaking from experience. Kidding.
Yeah. Use a condom and don't get the cheap kind. Always go with Trojan. I'll entertain for now. Surprise! Oh my god. Okay. So I was at my house. I kind of sneezed and fell off my porch and hurt my ankle. Dang it, you can't see it. Yeah, see, face bandage hurts a lot. And now I fall out of a chair. Oh, wow, I cut my wrist. I'm clumsy.
I'm in trouble, I'm an addict, I'm addicted to this girl. She's got my heart tied in a knot and my stomach in a whirl. But even worse, I can't stop calling her. She's all I want and more, I mean, damn.
Okay. Today I will be just demonstrating for you
Sex.
sex, of course.
And the causes and, you know, effects
of sex.
This.
Is a girl's vagina. Do you see the hole?
Hold on. Let me make it darker in there.
See that hole right there?
That little black.
That's right.
That is the hole.
That's for a virgin. For a virgin hole.
A virgin.
Now, if you don't mind holding this. And this is what happens after sex. I missed! Now this is what happens after sex. There we go. Now, girl, if you don't want a vagina like this, I suggest you don't have sex. And that is the abstinence way. Amen.